Hey y'all, Miss Mayhew here, and I'm going to go over codominance and incomplete dominance for you guys. Okay, I'm going to start with codominance. Codominance is an inheritance pattern where both alleles for a certain trait are going to be expressed together. Okay, you don't really have like one dominant and one recessive. You can kind of think of them as both being dominant. They're both going to be expressed. Okay, an example would be roan cattle. If you have a homozygous red cattle and a homozygous white cattle, and they cross to give you a heterozygote, that means that you are going to have a cow that expresses both red and white spots. Now remember, you can only use one letter for each gene. Okay, so the alleles that we would use here for red and white, you can either use a capital R and a lowercase r, or you can use the same capital letter and use a superscript for the red and the white. Incomplete dominance, on the other hand, is where neither allele is going to be dominant over the other. In this case, your heterozygotes are going to express an intermediate or an in-between phenotype. The example that we use is snapdragons. If you have a red snapdragon crossed with a white snapdragon, you end up with the heterozygotes being an in-between color, like pink.